It could all be so simple, but you'd rather make it hard. See, no one loves you more than me, and no one ever will. Tell me who I have to be to gain some of your reciprocity. See, no one loves you more than me, and no one ever will. No matter how I think we've grown, you'll always seem to let me know it ain't working, it ain't working. And when I try to walk away, you hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy, this is crazy. I keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? See, no one hurts me more than you, and no one ever will. No matter how I think we've grown, you'll always seem to let me know it ain't working. No, it ain't working. And when I try to walk away, you hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy, this is crazy. Care for me, care for me. You said you're there for me, there for me, there for me. You said you're there for me, cry for me, cry for me. You said you die for me, give to me, give to me. Care for me, care for me. You said you're there for me, there for me, there for me. You said you're there for me, cry for me, cry for me. You said you die for me, give to me, give to me. Care for me, care for me. You said you're there for me, there for me, there for me. You said you're there for me, cry for me, cry for me. You said you die for me, give to me, give to me. Care for me, care for me. You said you're there for me, there for me, there for me. You said you're there for me, cry for me, cry for me. You said you die for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! Hey, wait. It's been 3 weeks since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was Dr. Benjamin? You act like you and him, but you give him little chance to begin. How you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you're talking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim sleeping with the jinn. Now that was the sin of the Jezebel. Who you gonna call when the repercussions spin? Showing off your ass cause you're thinking that's a trend, girlfriend? Let me break it down for you again. You know I only say it cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just a minimum, and you're still defending him. Hey, Sianne is only human. Don't think I haven't been through the same predicament. Come again, y'all. Hey, hey, come again, y'all. Hey. Here I come, you can hide. I'm gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come, you can hide. I'm gonna find you and make you want me. You can run away from these styles I got, oh baby, yeah baby, cause I'm not from the block, yeah, yeah. You can run away from these styles I got, oh baby, yeah baby, cause I'm not from the block, yeah, yeah. Ready or not?
Boy! Gee, we're in for a treat this year, man. Thank you so much for that waiata, guys. Jeez. Tell us about your new single.
It's about my daughter. It's called Azalea, but it's also just about being a parent and the milestones your children reach and how you see it, and the very essence of just being a parent, really.
What's it like being a mama?
It's good. It's fun.
Busy?
Yeah.
Must be real busy.
Yeah, crazy busy. You know, it's being organised, I guess. Oh, moata I te rangona o tō karanga. Patu patu ana te manawa, te kite ngai a koe. E mene mai ana newa newa, waituku kiri, he taonga tuku iho. Kei te tipu koe, kei te puawai, hei puti puti ātaahua, ātaahua, kua koe te rerenga, o tōku manawa, he aro ka mutunga kore, he puna wai ora, no ngā tipuna e kore, e mimi tinoa, kua koe te rerenga, o tōku manawa, e kore, e mimi tinoa, e kore, e mimi tinoa.
Rawe, tēnā koe. Where did it all start with you in music? Where did it all come from?
Oh well, so we didn't have a stereo in the car, and yeah, so my mum used to drum on the it's a shame on the steering wheel. Yeah, no, that's actually how I learned how to sing and harmonise and keep notes and all that. But you know, I'm like every other Māori kid, the kapaka and all that, and can keep a tune, I guess.
Oh,
Yeah.
On that kapahaka note, who's your favourite kapahaka group?
I don't really follow, to be honest. But Ngāi Tahu, they're a brand new group. They're
Whakarongo mai ana.
yeah, they're a brand new group. Yeah, probably gonna perform for them. For my listening. Hopefully. I've been watching you, baby. Watching every move you're making, I can tell.